Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panch Portal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the cosmic guidance for the week of 1st July to 7th July 2024. Mokshpata cautions against any type of adharam in this time, that is going against the universal laws, for it will take us away from our true self and essence, and all gunas will become imbalanced, leading to delusion. In health, we are guided to mindfully practice good eating habits like opting for fresh fruits and vegetables and light homemade food, which is easily digested, instead of going for junk food. We can follow the circadian rhythm and rise early with the sun, eat our meals at regular intervals, and sleep early without any late night dinners and sweet binging. When our body gets proper rest in sleep, it keeps our body and mind healthy and active mode. When you eat pure food, your body remains healthy, and when you keep your mind in a space of love and acceptance, you will automatically be free from diseases like arthritis, acidity, boils, indigestion, and OCD, for they are many times caused due to rigid thoughts, unforgiveness, and too much control, and not letting go. So, it's time to take control over your diets, exercise routine, sleep patterns, and follow the universal energies of love, kindness, and harmony in your daily life for a healthy body and mind. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste. Let us see what the divine guidance from the Mokshpat board says regarding relationships for the week 1st to 7th July 2024. The Mokshpat board says that if you are being ill-treated or being physically or verbally abused, it's time to take a strong stand for yourself against the injustice and the abuse, whichever kind it may be. You need to let go of all your fears and stop playing the victim card and stand up for yourself, because God also helps those who help themselves. Moving to relationship at work, you are advised by the board to bring in a lot of new, positive, vibrant energy at your workplace and with your team members and co-workers. You are advised to take into confidence your team workers in every project that you are working on in order to create an atmosphere of harmony, confidence, and trust. A special guidance for those in a relationship and planning to move it to the next level. The Mokshpat board says, hold your horses. You probably are not aware of what exactly you are getting into or what is it that you really want from the relationship. You and your partner need to understand whether your energies regarding your ideas, your perceptions, your vision of your future together are aligned or not. You need to better understand each other. So the advice from the board is to take some more time before committing into this relationship. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more next week. Light and energy, Sonal Kapadia.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्कार माय डियर सोल फैमिली। मैं एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट हूँ, मेरा नाम मौसमी है, मैं पुणे से बोल रही हूँ और मैं एक हीलर भी हूँ। आज हम बात करेंगे मोक्षपट्टा रीडिंग में बोर्ड में जुलाई 1 टू जुलाई 7 के लिए। और जुलाई 1 टू जुलाई 7 के लिए आप अगर देखें तो ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी का बॉक्स है। स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जिस तरीके का बॉक्स मुझे गाइड कर रहा है उस हिसाब से एलिमिनेशन जो दिखा रहा है ये बेसिकली बहुत सारी चीजों को डीक्लटर करने के लिए दिखा रहा है, ताकि अगर आपके पास कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो जमी हुई है, आप उसको छोड़ नहीं पा रहे, लेट गो नहीं कर पा रहे, फॉरगिव नहीं कर पा रहे, तो इस टाइम पे आप उन चीजों को मेडिटेट कीजिए, बैठिए। देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस। श्वेता मैम बहुत सारे हीलिंग प्रोसेस करवाती है, होपनोपोनो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं आप, डेली मेडिटेशन है वो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और उस तरीके से आप ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी का जो भी पाथ आपके ब्लॉक हो रहे हैं वो सारे में इसको आपको हील करने के लिए हेल्प मिलेगा। एंड एट द सेम टाइम आप अपने ऑथेंटिसिटी में आइए, अपने रियलिटी में आइए कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, क्या अच्छा नहीं लगता है। स्टार्ट टेलिंग अबाउट दोस थिंग्स। ये आपके लिए गाइडेंस है, तो ये आपको आपकी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी के लिए बहुत हेल्प करेगा इस हफ्ते के लिए, इस वीक के लिए। थैंक यू।
Namaste, this is Shilpa Shah and I am here with the reading from Panch Portal for the month of July 2024. Let us delve into what the first week of July holds for us in the realm of business and profession. The Moksha part indicates that this particular week is highly favorable for both business and professional pursuits. The overall energy is positive, creating a supporting environment for progress and achievements. It's time to seize opportunities and make significant strides in your career or business endeavors. The reading emphasizes the importance of taking decisive action. During this period, positive energy surrounds you, so it's crucial not to delay or avoid your responsibilities. Procrastination could lead to missed opportunities, whereas taking proactive steps will align you with the beneficial energies of the week. Approach your work with wisdom and careful analysis is key. This means thoroughly considering the potential consequences of your action from multiple perspectives. Working smart, strategic planning, and thoughtful decision in your approach, this combination will surely yield results. Engage with your tasks energetically and intelligently. This is a week where your efforts are likely to pay off, leading to tangible progress and success in your professional life. Take a step forward. This is your moment to shine and advance in your career or business pursuit. That is all for now. Stay blessed. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Kavita Modi from Jamshedpur. I'm a Mokshat reader and a planning healer. I'm giving guidance of first week of July 2024 towards the aspect of finance from 1st of July to 7th of July. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि मनी को लक्ष्मी कहा जाता है। लक्ष्मी बहुत चंचल होती है, उसे हमेशा फ्लो में रहना पसंद है, इसलिए मनी की सर्कुलेशन होती रहनी चाहिए। मोक्ष पाठ की गाइडेंस ये कहती है कि ये सप्ताह आपके फाइनेंसेस के लिए पॉजिटिव है, लेकिन आपको किसी अच्छे फाइनेंशियल प्लानर से मिलकर फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ बजटिंग करनी चाहिए। कहाँ पर इन्वेस्ट करना है जिससे कि आपके फाइनेंसेस को और अच्छा ग्रोथ मिले। कुछ सेविंग की प्लानिंग भी कीजिए और कोशिश कीजिए जितना हो सके अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंसेस को कम करने की, जिससे कि इन फ्यूचर आपको किसी तरह की फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस को फेस नहीं करना पड़े। तो ये थी इस हफ्ते की गाइडेंस मोक्ष पाठ की तरफ से। मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते। बी हैप्पी, बी ब्लेस्ड, बी प्रॉस्परस। थैंक यू।
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.